What, Nala, what? What is it? Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Nala, when did they say our trailer was going to be ready? Next summer? Nala, what is it?
Did you guys hear about that couple that got murdered up on Stalker Road?
Dude, that's fake.
No, I swear it's real. This couple, Mark and Cindy, were driving in this rainstorm, slid off the road in the mud, and as soon as Mark walked off into the distance to get help from the house up the road, all Cindy hears in the distance is a scream and a thud.
What was that?
Who's over there? Who is that?
We should go check that out. What the heck?
What is that?
We found a note.
Well, what's it say?
I know what you're doing this summer.
Guys, I think we should probably head out. We're not that far from home.
Ooh, scary. We camped in our beans this summer.
Just saying.
We're not going anywhere.
Are you kidding? There's somebody out there.
We came all the way out here to camp. No one's gonna scare us away, right? I don't know. It's been a long day. Maybe we should get some sleep.
What is it?
There's something out there.
I'm sure it's nothing. Try to go back to sleep.
You're right.
What's that?
It's a Bean trailer.
How long did you wait for it?
I didn't. I just went and bought it.
Don't miss out on camping this year because you're waiting on a trailer you ordered months ago. That is just weird. Inventory Bean trailer available now for immediate use.